In the age of sail, we once were rooted. For 5,000 years it constituted a world-shaping, epoch-making, record-breaking human being technology. This cannot be disputed. From the time of the pharaohs to the first steamboats, if you wanted to move some goods, some goats, send a scientific treatise about the sexual life of moats, take your kids on a round-the-world vacation, fight a war against a foreign nation, to move anything across the seas, your only hope was for a sail upon a boat upon the breeze. Only a fool would row, could bear to go that slow if they were in the know. Now, don't get me wrong. I imagine a case where a captain of reason could, without treason, reason rowing over breezin'. I sometimes prefer a book in my hands to bits on a screen. It seems a good book can help my mind dream. And the slow, dirty gravel of the path less traveled seems not to unravel the work of the travel, but gives a sense of joy to a boy and a girl with nowhere to go and time to get gone. But when the task that's at hand, like yours, is so grand, and the mission your dishin' has frishin', when you're jizzin', why row? Why go slow? You must stand. 'Cause today, here's our planet, a hot, packed piece of granite. World's on fire and we fan it. It's in trouble. We must jam it. We must man and woman it, not spam it with old tools that waste time, lame deeds that don't rhyme. Why wield a small hammer when you can jammer with a rammer? Why have a museum? So you can see 'em, be 'em, getting foolish pride from taking small strides, your inside museum guides giving tiny little rides down hoity-toity halls of art-filled walls and empty spaces filled with empty cases and empty stories about the evolution of the races, while the masses, the brilliant masses, all the classes, wait outside. That's not a museum. That's a mausoleum. I do love art. It fills the cart in the quickie mart of my happy heart. The coffee table babble ain't no fable. Dance and music make me stable. To a soul beyond the pale, there's nothing finer than a Science Center model whale. But if the whale don't scale, it's a planetary fail. We must scale. We can scale. We can move new ideas across the seas. It's the age of scale. Because it's not just a rumor that the consumer ain't no dumb boomer with no hands, heart, or sense of humor. She's a smart, caring soul. She's got friends. They can roll 1 trillion hours a year of civic action surplus on your ass. Shirky told me this is so. Take it. Go. No longer passive. Public hands, hearts, and voices now are massive. Public action makes old-school broadcast reaction a distraction to this powerful new faction. 6 billion people connected on the web. They'll tag your bits, hit your hits, grind your zits, grind your grits, pop your zits, give you fits, and take you to the Ritz. Solve your problems, make them theirs. Take away 1,000 planetary cares. Cure your ulcer, hack your culture. Your museum should be theirs for the taken. You exist to maximize their making. Be assured that old boy taboos they are a-breakin'. A fine new recipe they're delighted to be bakin'. They are insane in the brain with the freedom and power of Creative Commons and the public domain. Remixing a fresh refrain with their friends, a new universe, a new zooniverse. It's the opposite of holding still or moving in reverse. It's perverse how they rehearse the inverse of the ancient 20th century manager's chapter and verse about who does the work, who has a say, and who gets to just walk along silent behind the corporate content hearse. Flickr, it reached 12 billion culture-richer pictures, OpenStreetMaps and Ushahidi, and if my grandma could only see me use 20 million CC0 records on Europeana to see, be, and make a vibrant culture. Like a culturo-scientific new media data mixer mulcher, a grower, reader, seeder, super dynamic knowledge breeder beater who brings good things to Wikipedia. That wiki really loves to show the people what they love to know about the Himalayan snow, Madonna's brand new bow, Homer Simpson's dough. Where else are you going to get that, bro? A museum? I don't think so. So, jack the museum. We really need to Make it sail, make it scale, so the culture continues to feed you. Do it now. Don't waste time working back in stagnant, small scale, small vision times. Do the museum. Thank you.